Hello, hello, hello. I'm assuming everything's run. Here's the disclaimer. Give it like 5 seconds. Make sure you see that. Okay. Week commencing 26th of Jan 2025. So this week and then next week would be beginning of Feb. So today is going to be the week before NFP. So keep that in mind. NFP for next week is most likely going to be making the big moves into a specific direction, potentially to show the interest of where it wants to go to for next month. Bear that in mind. So we did our thingy now because we do our lives now because open for dollar is going to be within the next 15 minutes, so you guys will be able to know ahead of open to see where it's going to go. So we are going to start off with the monthly time frame. Right, it's respected that level. It's went up, respected it. It's even respected the consequent encroachment of the monthly fair value gap. So we are starting to see rejection from a area of premium, and from the area of premium, we have the premium discount rate of the order block. So we are respecting this order block down to where the first level we would want to look for it to go to is this fair value gap, and then we need to see what does it want to do with this fair value gap. Does it want to go into there and then start to come back up and then go lower again, or does it want to go down, go up maximum up to here and then continue going lower and use this as an inverted fair value gap? We need to see, and ultimately if it does decide to break that, then we'll look for it to reach there and consequently these lows. But that's on a monthly thingy. So for next month we are just looking for it to go into there, right? So on the weekly, see, now this is where things get a bit techie because it's went into here, right? So if we look at the open, it is 107,490. If we look at the close of this, it is 107,466. So it has went below that. So it puts us in a likely stance for it to go lower. However, that doesn't rule out the possibility, as it respected the consequent encouragement of that, we could potentially see it go up into the low of this candle. Why? Because there's an order block here. I'm pretty sure that in itself is a whole wick. Yeah, it's a wick. So there is no fair value gap here, right? This If it doesn't reach that, then it will create a fair value gap. It doesn't need to fully reach that, so we'll look at the daily where it could potentially go into, but keep in mind that as a level, the low of that candle, 106,602. 108. 108,602. My bad. So now if we look at the daily, just went there. It could potentially go up into there. If it does decide to break this, we'll look for it to go into there. But as of right now, Monday, potentially go into there. Monday, Tuesday, to head up to there, and then Wednesday. Well, let's look at news first for that. So we commencing this Monday. We've got news at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard. We've got early news for Euro. Then for Tuesday, we've got 8:30, 9 o'clock news, and we've got 10 o'clock as the main one. So Monday, Tuesday is active. Wednesday is also active, but that's with FOMC 10:30, as well as 2 p.m. So 2 p.m. we're going to see FOMCs, and that's probably going to make some heavy move. So FOMC, remember that, on Wednesday. Thursday, we do have news. 8:30, 8:15 for Euro, 8:30, 8:45, 10 p.m. for US dollar, and then Friday, 1:30 news. There is a lot of news, so if there's a lot of news, it means one of two things. It's either going to go big range, up, down, or it is going to move one-sided heavily in one direction. Looking at here, if Monday, Tuesday, if all the days are going to be heavy, and then Wednesday, even in being a major day, we could potentially see Monday go lower, Tuesday go lower, and then start to head higher. Wednesday, range, and then potentially either see a wick lower quickly back into like here somewhere into the middle potentially of that, to then go lower again. Well, this would be pound dollar. So if this goes, so this is opposite correlation. We're looking for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So Wednesday is going to be like the thingy until FOMC takes it higher again and then lower, potentially breaking that low. Wednesday could potentially do it before, but we'll have to see. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Let's see, Monday down to there, Tuesday there, back up, Wednesday, potentially go lower, take it higher, past there. If it does take it past there, then this takes it past. Potentially there, look for them. It will potentially go even further, to be honest, past there. But yeah, we'll have to see. And then Wednesday, so if it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, then Thursday, it could potentially go back up into the open of Monday and Tuesday. If Monday and Tuesday were like the bullish candle to go up into there, and it would potentially go back up into Monday's open, for it to take it even lower. So if it went lower to there, and then could potentially go boom, boom, and taking out that. So yeah, Wednesday take out that, Thursday back up there, Friday take it back down. Yeah, Thursday potentially would go back up there and back lower a bit, for Friday to take out that and then come back into the range to create a full week, like low being here, high being around there. If that's the case, then here's gonna be low around here, high potentially clearing that. So yeah, that is what we want to see. Why do we want to see that? Dollar started moving way lower, aggressively. Futures, treasury bonds anyway, it's created this low where, so high in the orange section, perfect area to sell in the green area, and then ended in the light grey area, for then to start creating new opportunities. So if it did create the low here, then it will be seeking higher prices until this blue area. That's the time aspect of my trading. So it aligns with this is on a monthly. No, this is a 3 month. That's my monthly. December, Jan. So if we move it to, so that this is Tuesday, Wednesday, first Monday, and this is a first Monday. If we look here, created the thingy, created the low in the grey, started moving away, for it to start creating better opportunities to go even higher in this grey section to complete its bullish run right there. So because it ranged, we could potentially see it go lower into there, but I do want it to not close below that and only wick into there for it to start going higher. And if we do see that and it starts, so let's say Monday, Tuesday, and then Wednesday, and then Thursday, and then Friday, potentially take it up into there, so like a range from here to there potentially. If it does that, could potentially go lower and then end up just taking that to create equal lows, for then NFB week to take it even higher. But then again, we do have FOMC, so FOMC might end up taking that, like going up to here, for then Thursday to take it up into there, and then this fair value gap. So that's what we're looking for it to reach right now. Why? So price went up, disrespected this, disrespected that, disrespected this, disrespected the, I mean, it's respected the consequent encroachment of that, but it's disrespected all of these for it to reach there, and it's seeming as if it's harder for it to seek lower now that it's reached this and it wants to quickly go back up. Why? Because if it's taken this level, it's all the people who are breakout traders going to start selling, and all the people who didn't take out their profits as it slowly goes back down, they're going to sell their buy positions or sell their buy positions with their stop loss. That would mean all the people are on the wrong side. So if all the people are selling their stop loss, they're selling to whom? Willing buyers. And if there's people selling that breakout, then they're selling to who? Counterparty who wants to buy, and that counterparty is going to be buying in a discount relative to a range. So yeah, that is one way of describing things. Easiest way of describing things. It's also 50% off a wick, a certain wick. It's not a wick. It is. I'm pretty sure it's a wick actually. No, it is actually the weekly order block. Yeah, so it's respected the weekly order block. It has respected this fair value gap as well. So yeah, we are seeing, does it want to now go above here into there, seek this area? If it does seek this area, then we may see price want to start going up to there for the week after, so for NFP, but that is for that week, not now. So this week we're looking for it to go into there. It was held last week, but even though it's held, dollar moved to where we wanted it to go, which was into there under these. So that was good for dollar's prediction. So that meant pound dollar's prediction went well, euro dollar's prediction went well, and we are chilling. So I'm pretty sure I've pretty much said my prediction. So let us put so these are for all the swing traders. I'll be doing for me personally, I would put it here purely because there is a liquidity void here, and when that happens, price tends to respect this on the daily, but that wick would likely go up into there. So that's why. So during the day, so let's say like Tuesday morning, it would go up into there and start going lower. But that is, I would say, a good position if you are like a swing trader. Obviously, I do prefer lower risk. A better risk to reward ratio. So if we can end up refining this, we can. So the best thing here would be see, at this point I would want it respecting that level on the 4 hour. It could potentially go up into there. See of that, and this is the order block, so I'd end up moving my stop there. Actually, you get a 1 to 4 for the week if you're a swing trader. As a day trader, I would wait until it gets there, and once I start seeing it go lower, and respect this level, this order block, then I'll start seeing, alright, should I place my break when it goes back up, and then I'll place trade, and because it's moved like that, if it starts moving even lower, I'll put it there until it reaches back into at least here. Why here? Because this is going to be that order block that it creates when price is moving up to reach that level. So once it reaches there, break even, and wait for potentially around 50% when it gets to there, leave the rest of the position on until it gets to there. But yeah, that is our position for dollar. So if that's gonna show up like that, right, for pound dollar, our trade is gonna be let's get a long position. So yeah, from here, low, and then high. Create 1.5. Just looking at daily. Yeah, 50% is around there of that. So if it does decide to respect it, but then it can go below there. So idealistically, we would want it there. If that's the case, we'll allow for price to come into there. Why? Because it's already gapped lower down to there, therefore indicating that if it's to go lower, it's potentially going to go into this one. Why? From this low so yeah, of the week, the previous week, Monday, from there to there, once it's reached this fair value gap, went lower. So from here to there, 50% of the range is around there, so it would have to go at least under there. It left that open potentially to go lower into there, into that order block, and this is the same area as that area. So if that is that order block, then that's that's where we need to put it. And this is take out these. That is the first place I see. Why? Because equal highs. This is the first order block, like predominant one. If I value get there, which is above these equal highs. So we'll put it up there. Y order block area, the start of this, which is a good 1 to 4 for the swing traders. But yeah, as I am a day trader, if I see the opportunity on Monday that it is going lower, my model will be waiting until after 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Has it taken buy side liquidity before going lower? So look, if it were to start ranging here for 2, has it taken this, or at minimum the 8 p.m. to 12 p.m. high, has to take that well after 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. If it does, then we start to look for it reversing and respecting that, for it to start going lower into there. Once it does, we do the same thing. So most likely, if it does create that range on the Monday, Tuesday is going to be a go into there, come back up. So on the Tuesday we have to see, alright, it's taken out sell side after 2 a.m. After 2 a.m. between 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. Is it ranging as it went back up? Is it ranging? If it's ranging, then you need to look after 5 a.m. To around 7 a.m., 8 a.m. Has it taken it again for it to start reversing? If it does, look for to come back into a short-term discount to then send it higher again. But yeah, that's that. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed my analysis. If you did, make sure to leave a like, comment on what pairs you guys would like to see, and yeah, peace out. Thank you for watching.